All right, guys, this is my first ever mechanical keyboard. So we're gonna test this out. Let's go ahead and test out my first ever mechanical keyboard. Ooh. So sick. Oh, wow. That's neat. Whoa. Sick. That's sick. Ooh. Wicked. Oh. 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 I mean, super wicked, bro. Oh, look at the pattern, bro. I mean, going absolutely bazonkers, bro. Absolutely bazonkers, bro. Okay, nice little wave. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, I'm gonna give this keyboard a 10 out of 10. I'm about to upload a video of me gaming with it. So if you haven't, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, and I'll upload this video. But before you leave, put a like on this video. It's your boy Watois. I'm out.